Number 1. Earn a good salary. It means to receive a high amount of money for work.
He works hard to earn a good salary. He works hard to earn a good salary. Nurses deserve to earn a good salary. Nurses deserve to earn a good salary. Most engineers earn a good salary. Most engineers earn a good salary.
Number 2. Earn money. It means to receive money in exchange for work or services.
She finds ways to earn money online. She finds ways to earn money online. Many people earn money by freelancing. Many people earn money by freelancing. He earns money working at a cafe. He earns money working at a cafe.
Number 3. Ease pain. It means to make pain less intense or severe.
Medicine can ease pain effectively. Medicine can ease pain effectively. She uses heat packs to ease pain. She uses heat packs to ease pain. Gentle exercises can ease back pain. Gentle exercises can ease back pain.
Number 4. Win an election. It means to be successful in a political election.
She hopes to win the election this year. She hopes to win the election this year. The party worked hard to win the election. The party worked hard to win the election. They celebrated when he won the election. They celebrated when he won the election.
Number 5. Life feels empty. It means to feel like life lacks meaning or joy.
Sometimes, life feels empty without friends. Sometimes, life feels empty without friends. After retiring, his life feels empty. After retiring, his life feels empty. Her life feels empty without music. Her life feels empty without music.